Alright guys, welcome to another video. So today we're going to take a look at the February Nomadik Box. So if you're interested, stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have definitely come to the right channel. Take that first step, click subscribe. All right, so today we're going to be taking a look at the new Nomadik Box from February 2024. There you go. So this is it. So we're going to get into this. If you're unfamiliar with Nomadik, it is a subscription service. You can pick 1, 6, or 12 months to get boxes just like this, and you get them every single month for the duration you pick. They have an ironclad guarantee. What that means is, if there's something in this box that is broken, damaged, I already have one, all I've got to do is reach out to Nomadik and get a new box or a new item. Not a whole new box, but a new item. If I'm not going to be at home around the time it's going to be delivered, all I got to do is send them an email or click a couple buttons and say, hey, I'm not going to be at home, suspend this one. I'll pick up the next month. Really awesome service. Love these boxes. They say they have a roughly a $50 value. Some it's a lot more, some it's a little bit less, but we're going to see what February 2024 has to offer. So what knife are we going to be using today? We're going to be using the Tinker from Victorinox Swiss Army knife. This is the Tinker. I have it in the black skins. So let's get into this. I did a review, a full review of this knife. I'll put a card up top, one side or the other. You go check that video out. So let's see, which blade do we want to use? Let's go with the big blade there. It's got a big blade and a short knife blade. So let's cut this tape and get into this box. So February 2024, what do we have to offer? Here's our pamphlet. It just falls out sometimes. Wet weather. All right. Almost thought it was going to be raining today, so that would have worked out well. So wet weather is our theme. Looks like we have 4 items in our box. Every pamphlet comes with a list and description of the items in the box. Also comes with tips relating to the theme. So let's just go over these. I don't ever go over the tips, but we will today. For wet weather, Nomadik tips, pack these items on your next rainy day hike. Your new dry bag. Do we have a dry bag in here? Hiking poles, hand warmers, microfiber towel, headlamp, extra clothes, avoid cotton materials, shoes with good traction, and lightweight rain jacket. Pretty good tips for a wet weather hike. So let's see what we have in this box. So a little crumpled up paper there. We have I see our sticker. There's our sticker this month. Pretty cool. Let's throw that to the side. And I don't know what is big and small items, so we're going to go with an emergency first aid kit. So it comes in a sealable, waterproof container. It looks like I could probably add some more stuff to that. I've seen these before. I've never had one, never owned one. But this is probably about the size of a cigarette pack. There you go. So it comes with 10, 15 bandages, alcohol pads, cleansing wipes, gauze pads, and 2H bandages, which are like for your knuckles or your fingertips, moleskin, sting relief, medical tape, and 1 carabiner. So you can see all this stuff there that it comes with. Pretty awesome. Love getting first aid kits because sometimes getting purchasing a first aid kit or seeing a first aid kit can give you ideas to put in one that maybe you have built on your own, give you ideas of stuff to put in there. This appears to be the big item. Let's see what we got. Rockagator, the brand. Rockagator Ultralight dry bag. Check this bad boy out. What size is it? It is, this one doesn't tell me how big it is. That's a pretty hefty dry bag size wise, and it is ultra light. It is a light dry bag. I've only seen 1 or 2 that are lighter than this, but this one is from Rockagator and it's ultra light. So pretty awesome. I love dry bags. Sometimes I use them while hiking, sometimes I don't. We have a Clean Freak body wipe. antibacterial lemongrass with citronella, keep the bugs away. And our last item, hey, 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 are you enjoying this video? If you are, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, make sure you do that. Nomadik, what do we have here? Ah, a compass. So we have a compass there. Folds up and out. Check that out. So one thing that I don't believe I've ever truly learned how to use is a compass. Not in the way that you're supposed to. I mean, I know how to look and know where north and south is, but I've never truly learned how to. So that may be what I'm going to do now, because this one has all your stuff you can see here. So pretty awesome. This is from Nomadik. We have gotten some stuff from Nomadik before, so we'll check this out and see if I can learn how to use one. If there's any good videos to teach you how to use one and you know about it, drop it in the comments below so I can go check it out. But yes, compass from Nomadik. So we have 4 items in this box. I'm not sure how much the dry bag is. Sometimes those can be a little bit pricey. This one's probably not going to be at the $50 range. This is going to be a little less than that probably. That's like, what, 2 months in a row we've had subpar boxes. All right, Nomadik, we got to pick it up. We got to get back to where we're supposed to be. All right, we're supposed to be definitely in the $50 value. But I do like the dry bag. This is 10 liter. There we go, 10 liter. I knew I saw it somewhere. 10 liter dry bag. So yeah, that's our items for February of 2024. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, not necessarily if you enjoyed what was in the box, because I don't have any control over that, but if you enjoyed the video, if you enjoyed me explaining some of the gear, then make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe, because we do these videos every single month with Nomadik. I paid for a subscription to Nomadik. Once that subscription ended, Nomadik continued to send me boxes so I could open them and give you guys information about the contents. So disclaimer, I did not pay for this box, but it came to me for you guys. So there you go. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit thumbs up. Make sure to hit subscribe. And that's all I've got. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.